Hello friends, welcome to this training video. In this video we want to wire a three-phase industrial switchboard. This switchboard includes a three-phase contactor output and a single-phase output. In the first step we install the necessary protective equipment in the switchboard. Each three-phase output needs a three-phase miniature switch to protect its circuit from short circuit. It's use a three-phase monitoring relay which is placed in the control circuit to prevent two-phase and voltage increase and decrease. Each three-phase output needs a contactor which we install. To prevent excess current from passing through the circuit, we use a current controller relay that is placed in the control circuit. Also a single-phase miniature switch that is used for single-phase output. Now we install the input and output terminals. These are the input power terminals, that is, three phases and neutral enter the electrical panel from these terminals. These are three-phase output terminals. And these are single-phase output terminals. The installation of equipment is finished. Now we start the wiring. First we wire the power circuit. For this we connect the three-phase from the input terminals to the input of the miniature switch. The wiring diagram of this electrical panel will be placed at the end of the video. We also connect the phase wire to this switch. Now we connect the output of the miniature switch to the input of the contactor. Now we connect the output of the contactor to the output terminals. Before that, we pass the wires through the whole of the current controller relay so that their current is calculated and displayed, and if necessary, the circuit is cut off. The power circuit is finished. Now we will wire the control circuit. In order for three-phase monitoring relay to be able to control the phases, it needs three phases, which we connect to it from the output of the miniature switch. And we also connect a phase to the input of the relay. Now we connect the phase wire from the output of the single-phase miniature switch to the single-phase socket installed on the body of the electrical panel, and connect the neutral wire to the neutral terminal. We know that all relays and contactor need a neutral wire, which we connect to it. We have installed a selector switch on the door of the electrical panel to disconnect and connect the contactor. The input of this switch is connected to the output of the three-phase monitoring relay, and its output is connected to the input of the current controller relay, and from its output to the coil contactor. Therefore, all these are placed in series in circuit. This video is finished. The wiring diagram of this electrical panel is like this. If you like the video, please press the like and subscribe button. And if you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Goodbye.